Hello, my healthy minds. Have you ever noticed that when you're stressed, your mind gets stuck in a negative thinking loop? Your mind gets stuck in overthinking, and your body feels tired, your body feels restless. Let's break down the cycle of stress and let's know that how to tackle that thing. Yes, remember, stress is a very natural response of your body. It is not something which you should be frightened of. You're a human being, and even animals, they feel stress. So you must be aware that stress is very natural. Now, what makes you stress? Like how it happens in your body. The brain, which is a part of your body, it becomes alert and it activates the system of fight or flight mode. There is a center called as amygdala. Amygdala is your fear center of your brain. So when the external stimulus or the external stressor stimuli enters to your brain, then it gets activated, the fear center begins activated, and it releases uh, stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. And due to the rush of cortisol and adrenaline, you face significant changes in your heart rate, and it also affects your sleep cycle. It also affects your, you know, it also causes anxiety or makes you anxious. But yes, you must remember that it is not something which you should be worried of. It's very natural and it is very normal. And there is also another part called as prefrontal cortex. Think of it that it is a thinking center of your brain. You can say it affects the cognitive function, or you can say cognition. It affects your concentration, your problem solving method. It also affects your, you know, uh, the way you perceive the things, like the things which are related to your thinking. It also affects that, and due to that your body becomes nervous. Your mind and your body becomes nervous and it loses the coordination. Your mind feels restless and your body feels tired. Now, how can you tackle with it? How to tackle with stress? The first technique is breathing technique. I would like to suggest a breathing technique which is 4 4 5. You have to inhale for 4 seconds. Then you have to hold your breath for 4 seconds. And then you have to exhale, slowly exhale for 6 seconds. It will help your parasympathetic nervous system to calm down. The second step is to jot down or to write down everything. You have to write down few things. The first thing is what makes you stressed. The second thing, what are the possible outcomes which would affect you. The third thing, a small solution or a small conclusion. And you must remember that if it is under your control, then it's okay. And if it is not under your control, then also it is okay. Remember that not every time we have control over everything. We are just human beings. We only have control over ourselves, over our emotions, not into something which is not under our hand, not under our control. So you must remember this thing. Now the third thing is you have to take a nature walk. Go and spend some time with nature. Talk to your favorite ones, or talk to a mental health professional. Talk to a psychiatrist, psychologist, or counselor if you think that that stress is leading you to the negative thing, like pattern. When you can control your mind, then you can have control over the entire world. Thank you.